Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the difference between, or maybe not a difference, I would actually say the reason between dunder stir, or the function of dunder stir, or the magic method _str. Okay, now I have to create a class called car to demonstrate this. Now if I say def dunder init underscore self. Okay, now if I say self dot name, and I'm going to say the car's name is BMW, and then I'm going to say self dot model is equal to just 2025 for just to be different. Okay, so then now if I say def dunder not self str, okay, self, and now I'm gonna say return f string, and I'm gonna say the car is, and then we're gonna put these brackets, and model is self dot model, and then I'm going to say self dot name. Alright, so now the function of dunder stir is like this. If I actually create its instance, okay, so I create a car and I call the variable car, and I'm saying now print for me car dot print car. Okay, just print car, sorry. Okay, so if I actually run this, what it's going to show me, car is BMW and model is 2025. Now this does is that it returns this. However, if I didn't have this, okay, and then I print car, it's going to give me this funny looking object. Okay, car object at memory location. So this is what dunder stir does, str, is that it helps us to identify the object itself in a more readable manner, and this is used for users. Okay, so there's another function called dunder represent. Okay, so it goes like this, repr. Now this achieves the same purpose essentially. Okay, it does the same thing, except that dunder reaper, or represent I think it's called, is used for programmers, whereas dunder stir, okay, is used for the user, like an average normal user. Okay, this is used for like debugging and things, okay, where the programmer just has to print out the object and check how it, see it. But the stir is for actually, sometimes displaying the stuff on the user interface, or displaying the object and its details, so things like that. Okay, so the difference would be car is self.name, model is that, whereas we could put this like that, this function reaper we can put like that, car self name. Okay, and by default it would print the string one, okay, this str, whereas if I had to do wrapper over this, then it's going to show the one for this one is going to show this wrapper string, and similarly I can also do this, but by default it's going to show the string. So that's just the difference. We use it also in databases, or we use it in wherever you use a class, and for example in Django, the Django admin panel, when you register your models on the Django admin panel, then you can use these magic methods. Alright, thanks for watching.